How to view a locked profile on Facebook. If a profile is locked on Facebook, that means the account owner has set their privacy settings to restrict who can view their posts, friend list, and other details. So, viewing a locked or private Facebook profile without the owner consent is against the Facebook privacy policy and violates the guidelines. Here, Facebook privacy settings are designed to protect users' information and prevent unauthorized access to personal content. So, the correct approach to view the locked profile on Facebook is to send a friend request. If you're not already a friend, you can send user a friend request, and after they accept their request, you will be able to see their post and other content depending upon their privacy settings. And you can always engage through their public content. Sometimes the user may share posts with public, not restricted to friend only. So in that case, you can check if they have public post or comment section that you can view. So that's the only way to view someone's locked profile on Facebook. So make sure to always respect people's privacy and settings on social media. If a profile is set to private or locked, it's because the user wants to keep their content restricted. And the best course of action is to follow the proper channels like sending a friend request or engaging them with through the public content. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.